Welcome to SEO Tutorials for Beginners. Today we're going to look at how you can make a header template in Elementor. So if you already have a page open, you can do this a couple different ways. We can come over here and just hit Edit with Elementor. If you already have a header, you can hit Elementor Header. From here, we'll just hit Elementor Header, and this will open up an edit section for that header. So as you can see, if I hover over, I have different options for the header that I can change. Now, you can also use one of their templates, but for this example, I do not have this Elementor connected to my account, so I don't have any of these options available. But as you can see, they do have different header options available, and from here you would just hit Insert, and then it would pull up a header such as this, and then you could go through and make any of your changes. Now, if you want to save this as a template, you're just going to click on the edit section right here. So if you right click on there, you can scroll down and you can hit Save as Template. So this is one way you can do it. So we're just going to name this, hit Save. And now if I search by creation date, you can see I have a header right here. And then if we want to use this header for every web page, we would just hit Update or Display Conditions. So if I hit Display Conditions, you can see that this header template will be on every page if I include the entire site. Then you just hit Save and Close. Now, if you do have an issue and you're not seeing the header on a page that it should be because you clicked on entire site, I'll show you guys how to fix this issue. So typically your header is not showing up because you are not in a full canvas setting. So let's click on Edit with Elementor. We'll load up the page so you can see what I'm talking about. So right here, if we scroll down to the left hand side and we hit Settings, or you will see right here we have Elementor full width. If this is set on canvas, it will remove the header and footer from this page. And even though you have the header selected for your entire site, it will not display. So if we go back and we hit full width, then we'll add the header and footer back to this page. So if you guys want to go through and customize a certain header, maybe for a different section of your page, you would hit Canvas, then that would remove that header. And then you just scroll to the bottom of the page, hit the folder section, if you already have a template made. And then here you can just go My Templates, sort out your header and or footer. And now you see I have my header right here. If I drag it to the top, now this header is set for this page. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know in the comments box below.